Hello everyone, in this video I want to share about how to create window block in AutoCAD. Firstly, I will choose new layer. For click on this layer property, select new layer, type in W2 color. For select index color, I will choose this color number 51. Okay, click on layer current, close. Okay, now I want to go to the rectangle tools and click on here. First one, click on here and add. Length should be 5 feet, height should be 6 inches, enter. Okay, now I want to explode this object. Type in X, enter. Select this object, press enter. Okay. Now I want to offset this layer, and again here is also. Go to offset tool, click on here, and offset distance is 1 inches, enter. Select this line, go to inner direction, and again here is also go to inner direction, press enter. Okay, now make a copy for this one. Go to copy tool, click on here, and select this line, press enter. Copy it to the midpoint, select this point, go to midpoint. Okay, now I want to trim for this line. Go to trim tools, click on here, enter. Here and here is also. Okay, here is ready to make a okay, here is ready to make a block. So I will type in B, enter. Name for type in W2, pick point, select, click on this point, and again select object. I will select these all object, press enter. Okay, here is our window block. If we want to use this window block, go to the instance. Here is our block. Okay, click on auto mode. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye.